The dispersal of pea, geranium, bean, and balsam seeds takes place by explosion. New plants from body parts. Some plants do not reproduce through the process of germination of seeds. They reproduce through their parts of body, like stem, leaves, or roots. The method of obtaining new plants from the roots, stems, and leaves of the parent plants is called vegetative propagation. Roots. The roots of some plants grow into new plants. For example, plants like dahlia, carrot, and radish. If we plant them in the soil or put them in water, roots and shoots grow. Stems. Some plants are grown from the pieces of their stems. These pieces are known as stem cuttings and have buds on them. A cutting is taken from a plant and is put into the soil. After a few days, this cutting grows into a new plant. Plants like rose, hibiscus, and sugarcane are grown by stem cuttings. Underground stems. Eyes are found on potatoes and ginger. Under suitable conditions, each eye changes into a bud. If we plant them under the soil, a new plant will grow from the bud. Onions and lilies have underground bulb-shaped stems. New plants grow from these bulbs when they are kept inside the soil. Leaves. Young plants arise along the edges of the leaves of some plants. When these leaves are kept in moist soil, their buds produce new plants. Bryophyllum is an example of this kind of plant. Plants from spores. Some plants grow with the help of spores as they have no flowers. They do not produce seeds. Fungi, ferns, and mosses are the examples of such plants. Agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Plants that are grown in large numbers to provide us food and other useful substances are called crops. To protect the crops from insects and other harmful animals, we spray chemicals on the crops. These chemicals are called pesticides. Farmers also use scarecrows to protect crops from birds and animals. Crop seasons. A particular crop may grow well in one season but may not grow well in another season. Farmers grow different crops in different seasons. Kharif crop. Kharif crops are dependent on monsoon rain. They are grown in summer from June to October. Crops like maize, rice, jowar, bajra, and ragi are grown in this season. Vegetables such as brinjal, tomato, pumpkin, spinach, and gourd grow well in the summer season. Rabi crop. Crops that are grown in winter from November to April are called Rabi crops. These crops do not depend on the monsoon rains. Examples are wheat, pea, and gram. Vegetables such as carrot, turnip, radish, cabbage, and beans grow well in the winter season. Growing healthy crops. To grow healthy crops and get good yields from them, farmers have to take a lot of care of the crops at every stage. They have to give the right amount of water at the right time to the crops. Use healthy, ripe seeds of the best variety. Spray pesticides like DDT and Gamexine. Add organic as well as chemical fertilizers. Protect the harvested crop from being spoiled by dampness or being eaten by rats, birds, and other animals. Remove the weeds, unwanted plants, as they compete with the crops for nutrients. They may also use weedicide to destroy weeds. Points to remember. Plants give us food, fibers, tea, wood, etc. The different ways by which plants reproduce are from seeds, stems, leaves, roots, or spores. The process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling is called germination. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, human beings, animals, and by explosion of fruit. Farmers grow different crops in different seasons. Rice, pulses, jowar, bajra and maize are kharif crops, while wheat, pea and gram are rabi crops.